Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can animate any element using the video animation. So for instance, you want to animate a text using the video animation. I'm just going to select this one and I will just add in like a sticker, maybe like this one as well. And then to animate it, just right click, create compound clip, go to animation, go to this bit, and you can now animate using video animation, and you can do that also to the sticker by using the same thing by right clicking, creating compound clip, and going to animation and animating that. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!